Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for Kingmixup, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, and already know, bless. Hoping you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style already. One bag of one, you know one. I gotta give you the daily updates from the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, oh boy, people. Let's just kick it off with the Barbs. I'm hearing about Barbs. The Barbies and the Dollies. You see me, I say, and what all of these ladies have in common, putting out a comment section. Well, it doesn't really matter because in the headline, you see it. They all made it to Surgeon Made Curves. You know, this is a page that is very informative on the surgery community amongst women. You know what I mean? As well as dropping some tea. You see me, I say, and all of these ladies made it to this site, your site. And the latest celebrity I seen that made it, it was Nicki Minaj. You see me, I said, Surgeon Made Curves is saying Nicki Minaj got a breast lift / breast reduction done in Miami. You see me, I said, and she quoting Nicki Minaj saying, new boobs, ooh this. You see me? And this was the caption. I'm not going to read it out to you, but you can see, you know what I mean? And as expected, some people in the comments section were skeptical. And, you know, others were saying, you know, she the truth. You see me? I say, she posted several pictures of Nicki, but we're not going to post them. You know what I mean? But she did post a screenshot of that. You see me? So let's give that update from Matagwan with Nicki Minaj and surgery, you know, business allegedly. You see me, I said that's what the lady put in her caption, her headline, you said. So, yeah, you know, just giving an update like I said on that. So let's proceed to the next. Because Jada said you're gonna need to buy a Birkin if you want to show her off, you see me. Nah, I'm playing, but she says she's back in the London, United Kingdom, or she just took these pictures there and just letting y'all know the location where she took it. But as you can see, she's showing off the luxurious items, so you already know the fans them is speculating how much Burna boy buy it. You see me, I say, cause you know he's a UK artist and all of this stuff, so. But you know the things with these artists is, you know, I mean, even though some of this stuff may not be true, they still have to use it for advertise them business, you know what I mean? So I don't know if, you know, Burna boy took back his DJ and bought her a Twinkie. I don't know these people's jewelry collection. It's about but as I giving an update Wagwan, it looked like she back in at the UK showing off the luxurious items. As you know, Steph London them get called up. You know the mix, cause you know the thing. You see me, I say when I go into it, you know, full details, cause it was a trending topic last week. But just like keeping it up to date, Wagwan for not Guan, you see me. Just a reminder, Steph London said that it wasn't Jada Kingdom who she was calling, you know them words there, but it was her publicist. Yeah. So let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, I see the news, I see the comments, I see the tags, so let's talk about this. Was Popcorn right when he said Sharon Burke and Shaggy's are the gatekeepers of dancehall? Putting at the comment section. You see me, I said, because their name is, well, not their name, not Shaggy name, Sharon Burke. You know, Sharon is, you know, basically the manager of Teejay, you know what I mean? And it has been brought to my attention that he just signed a publishing type deal with Warner Music Brothers. You know what I mean? So it's definitely a good look. A whole lot of money is going to be made. You see me, I say, and Sharon is going to get a big piece of it. Because, you know, I just business. That's what the people them is saying in the comment section. As long as he plays by the rules, everything shall be cool. You know what I mean? If you can read between the lines, it's sight. As you know, we done reviews before saying that, you know, it looked like, says Sharon and Shaggy, I give Ramesh a run for his money. You know what I mean? Because, you know, the Teejay was a part of Ramesh crew. You know what I mean? Vibes Cartel really gave Teejay the bus. Ramesh put the money in him. And, you know, basically marketing, changing name to Up Top Boss and all of these stuff. You know, I mean, he definitely did his work to clean up his image, in that sense. But you know, TJ was a talented artist from a long time, so and I mean, we can't take that from him. But Ramesh definitely made him marketable. You know, I mean, so when we say the split between the two, you know, it was like, you know, what really went south, and a lot of people were saying that Sharon, you know, put words in that, you know, TJ head. You see me? I say, I'll make him leave the crew. You see me? That's all of the talks out there. That's nothing new. But we just letting them know what go on for not to go on. But like I said, we don't know the exact details of the deal. We only know when things go south. You know what I mean? If it's a 5 album deal or whatever, you don't know the thing said. But you know what I mean? This is definitely a good look for TJ, regardless of the fact it's sad, and he should make some money, some bigger money. You see me? But anyway, let's proceed to the next. Oh, I forgot to mention, it looked like him I spent off the advance money already fast. As you can see him in at the jewelry store, buying Rolexes and things. As you know, some other jeweler, they robbed him like $60,000 for a pendant last year and hasn't been found since. But, you know what I mean, TJ, just make sure you invest your money, you see me? But anyway, let's proceed. Okay, people, as usual, you know, I see some things out there that we need to, you know, talk about because the people them is talking. You know what I mean? I already know how the people them is doing, ladies are with one foot in and one foot out. You see me, I say, shake it all around. And I mean, no okey pokey, because them say ladies has one foot in the dancehall, one foot in the gospel. I know me see an article on the Star with Suspense Queen, you know, having
Some people would say that you ran away from dancehall when you went into gospel. How you plan to run dancehall? Tell me.
Well, it's simple, I'm back. So maybe it's a rebirth, maybe it's a resurrection, but I'm back. And that's all I need to say.
yes, you know, the Star making it seem like she had run back to dancehall, but she said she's back to run dancehall, putting at the comment section if she thinks she has a shot at the title, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, back to the Christian thing because according to the Star, having won the Magnum Queen of Dancehall title in 2017 at a memorable final that saw her rub out Rankin Pumpkin. A long time I not talk to Rankin, you know. It's but nevertheless, Suspense soon ditched the dancehall in favor of a Christian lifestyle, only to lock off the gospel in 2019, citing too much hypocrisy in the church. Putting on a comment section if that's a good reason she's given, because you know I was checking the comments and people say, you know, she's playing, you know, these people is playing around with Jesus and all of this stuff. It's a but on a final note, she is signed to some new label, as you can see in front of you. And I mean, I don't really know too much of them, but it's definitely a good look. You know what I mean? Um, you know what I mean? But hopefully these people don't sign their life away. Because we always see some artists sign, you know, record deal and all of this stuff. And then always a ball and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? Later. And we see certain people around her who name always I get caught up in some money mishandling business. When I call the name, we just say. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next Queen topic. Because I see a lot of people bashing Lady Saw, you know, it's like this lady can't do nothing right in the sight of the people them that's critiquing her. You know what I mean? So this is why we say, you know, is this a church hypocrisy thing? Putting in the comment section because me see I do a lot of ads and I do a lot of dancehall chanting and all of this stuff and say she run certain places and the people them, well, let's just take a listen and we'll proceed.
Tell the devil if he come out of me way. Tell him offspring them mind them get slay. Me say me run New York and me run JA. Me say tell your prayer warrior them better pray. My name is Minister Marion, formerly known as Lady ladies. So, and I'll be at the Groove in the Park big concert on June the 25th. You gotta be there at Roy Wilkins Park, and you gotta go on .com to get your ticket. Okay, it's at grooveinthepark.com. Get it, because I'm gonna be there. Tell the devil if he come out of me way, me say. Tell him offspring them mind them get slay. I'll see you in New York. Okay, bye-bye.
The people them say she's washed up and she not run nowhere. Her time, she take too long for come back and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? One thing I can say, ladies is rich. You know what I mean? She bought a lot of properties with her money. She would have been a lot richer if she didn't sign away her royalties. But she's definitely not broke. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's just my opinion. Anyway, I'm not going to go with this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in our dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.